Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard, who can make a brand new microphone just materialize out of nowhere. And today I am going to be doing a very short video. I am doing a unboxing video because I received a box in the mail just today, and I wonder what might be inside of it. I'm sure you're sitting there going, I'm wondering too, Paul. No, you're not. You're like, I'm wishing I had a box that I could open. Well, maybe you could do it with me. I know unboxing videos just aren't quite as popular as they once were, but we're going to try and do that without me bumping into my brand new mic as much. I got my magic purple pen that is opening up all the sides of this box over here, and I'm going to go and rip it open and see what we got inside. I hope it's something cool. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look, it's a squeezy robot. It's a squeezy robot from Test Guild, from my friends Joe Colantonio and Stephanie. And I got a couple of more stickers. What else do we have in here? Oh, I got more robots. I got some pens. Oh, look at this. This is fantastic. Oh, pens and robots and more robots. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is fantastic. And some wipes. I like wipes with Joe's face on there, and oh look, I got more robots. I got more robots, and another robot. All sorts of robots. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and have yourself a great day. Again, thank you very much to the Test Guild for helping me out and getting things going for another great year. Cheers!